Okay, so for all those teachers who are new to Google Classroom, we are going to learn how to get to our Google Classroom from the home page. So if you are logged in to your account, whichever account is associated with your school, you need to log in there first, and then you will automatically be led to your Gmail. Okay? Now, let's just say you're not going in through your Gmail. You're going to have to log in through the main page and you're going to put in Google Classroom. You can search and it'll take you to the link, and then you go to classroom.google.com. So we could even put that in the search bar and put classroom.google.com. Now, because I'm already automatically logged in, it's going to take me to all the classes that I'm associated with, whether that means that I'm joining a class or I am teaching a class, because yes, sometimes teachers have to learn as well. So, today I am going to show you how to create a class. The plus sign is going to be where you are going to create a class. Now, for students or for teachers, when we're learning, we can join a class here. We can create a class here. So now I'm going to create a class and it's going to be named ELA 1. And it's going to be section 2. Subject is English. English department, professional development. Okay, so maybe we're going to have a professional development session and I want to teach other teachers like you. Room, let's just say the living room, because right now that's where everybody's going to be. Okay, and I'm going to create my class. So while that's creating, truly you can decide what your class is going to look like on the screen. So let's just say when we first go in, I want to create a different theme. I can either upload a photo or select a theme. So let's see what themes they have available. They have these, and then they might have something that's a little more focused on, I don't know, different subject areas. I love the arts. I was an arts teacher for a very long time, and maybe I want to have, voila. I like the ballet shoes. Why not? Now, let's just say I have a teacher who I'm co-teaching with, who I want to plan with. This is going to be where I add that person. So now that I've just established the classroom, I'm going to go to people. And then I'm going to add here, invite teachers. What are the teachers' names going to be? I can pull up whomever I like to. And they can see, okay, I'm going to select this person, and then she's going to be working with me moving forward. And then I would invite her to this classroom. Okay? So now, students, I can invite them individually. I can go in, type in someone's name. Oh, Jade, I want to invite Jade. Okay, maybe not. I don't want to do it this way. I'd much rather go back to the stream and email all of the students this code right here. Now, the code is going to be different for each class. So if you're teaching more than one class, you definitely need to set up another classroom and give them a different code. If you want to do it individually, that's fine too, but you need to make sure that all of the kids have access to their email addresses so you can invite them. Once you've invited students, then you can invite their families. So for example, if I go to one of my other classes right now, I can go to people and I can see my students and I can invite their guardians. Okay? Now that I have established ELA 1, Section 2, I can decide what work I'm going to create. Now remember, when you're creating work, it is going in as either assignment, quiz, question, material, or you can reuse a post. Topics help you separate the different things that you're going to be posting. So for example, if you create a topic that is remote learning, then the assignments that you do, I'm going to create I'm going to create a material post. I'm going to post something that's going to help students. Here's a video to help you get started. And this video will assist you and your family on how to get familiar with Google Classroom, period. And then I'm going to select whichever classes I want this to be for. So I can select all the classes. I can just keep it at ELA 1. Maybe if I want to add 7th grade literacy, I can do that as well. Then I can also say, you know what? Normally there would be other students here. So you would see a whole list of names and I would be able to select which students I want to include. And then the topic. So remember, I just created remote learning. It's here. So I'm going to select remote learning. And then I'm going to add something from my Google Drive because I already have information in my Google Drive, like how to draw a picture. Great. Or how to submit work. Maybe I want to use that one. That would be a good one. Add that video, tutorial for kids. Now, it's not yet saved. I'm still editing. But now I can go to schedule, save draft, or discard. Do I want to post it right away? No, because I don't have any students yet. So I know that my students are probably going to sign up soon. So I'm going to schedule it to post, let's say, March 24th at 8 a.m. Now I'm going to select schedule. I can't use this file. Okay, so I can create a copy of the file because I don't have permission to share it in this drive. Make a copy, and now it's going to schedule for the students. So one thing you should know, and we'll do this in a different video, you have to make a copy of a lot of things in Google. So as you can see on the stream, there's nothing posted yet. However, it is going to post. The video is a copy of the submitting work video, and you can always go back and edit the materials. This is the stream, and if in fact you want to invite students, remember, you can always go individually and type in their names or their email addresses, or you can go to the stream, copy the code, and to copy, it's Command C, and then you can share it wherever you want. You can go back to the waffle, go to Gmail, and then you can compose an email to send out to families saying, hey guys, this is the code and please join my Google Classroom. I hope that was helpful getting started with Google Classroom. Bye-bye.